In this video we'll look at Facebook group announcements, where you can notify your audience in the group of particularly important posts, content that they must see, and you can even pin one of those posts to the top of the page so it's very, very prominent. I'll show you how in this video. Here we go. So here we are in my free social media training group, and under announcements on the left hand side I can see a collection, if I scroll down, of different announcements that I've put to the top of the page. Now, if I were to go to one of these, I click on it, I can remove it as an announcement, and I can also pin it permanently to the top. You can only have one announcement pinned to the top at any given time, but there's no limit on how many announcements you can have. So I'll say pin to the top for now, and if I add a new announcement now, so what I'll do is I'll create an announcement in discussions. I'll type in something simple, and first of all post it. Now I can click on the three dots and I can mark that as an announcement. But as you can see, because the other one is already pinned to the top, it's not the first one listed. If I click see all, the chapters feature is still at the top, and it's the next one down. And once you're done and you've finished with the announcement, and I wouldn't suggest having more than probably 2 or 3 at the most on a page, remove it from announcements. So if we now look at the new interface, so if I go to select switch to new Facebook in 2020, on the main page there is the announcements section appearing in this horizontal list of content. Again, I can click on any of these and I could say unpin from the top in this case, remove, and you can see that announcement's now been removed, and you can just pick and choose whichever announcement you want to put to the top. So still functioning well in the 2020 Facebook interface, and simply a matter of finding content that you want to prioritize, and then they can generally join in the discussions in the group elsewhere. But you'll see the number in brackets there of announcements that are available. In this case I've got 48, so this probably is time for me to go back through it and remove some of these as they're no longer current. So that's announcements in Facebook groups in 2020. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.